Morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, Grade 3 Mathematics, Chapter 2 Addition. Chapter 2 Addition. So, what is meant by addition? Addition means combining two or more things. Addition means combining two or more things. Listen here.
Let us learn about addition. Azhar wants to know the total number of students in all three sections of class 3.
Bobby, do you have any idea how many students there are in class 3?
Yes, class 3 has 3 sections, A, B and C. We have 40 students in section A, 35 in section B and 35 in section C.
So tell me the total number of students.
Simply add them up. 40 plus 35 plus 35. So, there are 110 students in class 3. Addition is putting things together. Look at this addition. The numbers that are added are the addends. The sum is the result of the addends. Now let us add the three-digit numbers 135 and 124 without removing. Add the ones. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Add the tens. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Thus, 135 plus 124 gives 259.
Next one, my practice time 1. Find the sum. My practice time 1. Find the sum. Find the sum. A part ones, tens, hundreds. A part ones, tens and hundreds. We are having adding two three-digit numbers. Two three-digit numbers. The first one my practice time 1. Find the sum. Find the sum. Here a part 478. 478 plus 21 plus 21 ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Listen here. First one, find the sum. A bar 478 plus 21. 478 plus 21. Place value is ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. First we add ones place. Step 1. First we add ones place. Add ones. Here ones place 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. The number 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So the number 9 write in ones place. So the number 9 write in ones place. The next one, step 2. Step 2. Next we add tens place. Next we add tens place. Yeah, tens place. Tens place 7 tens and 2 tens. 7 tens plus 2 tens. 7 tens plus 2 tens. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. The next one, 100 plus here 4, here empty. So we take 0. 100 plus first row 4, the second row empty. So we take 0. Now add hundreds plus 4 plus 0. Here 400, here 0 hundreds. 4 hundreds plus 0 hundreds. Step 3. We add hundreds plus 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. So the number right, 4 right in 100 place. So our answer is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Sum of two numbers is equal to 499. Sum of two numbers is equal to 499. The next one, B part. Ones, tens, hundreds, 510, 510, then second one 83. Here 100 plus 5, here empty, so we take 0 in hundreds place. We take 0 in hundreds place. First we add ones place. Step 1. First we add ones place. Here ones place is 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. It is a 0 properties. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So the number 3 write in ones place. 3 write in ones place. The next one we add tens place. Step 2. 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So the number write in 9 write in tens place. The next we add 100 place. Step 3. Here our 100 place is 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. It is a zeros property. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So the number 5 write in 100 column. So our answer is 593. Our answer is 593. The next one C. C part, ones, tens, hundreds, it is a place value. Question number 236 plus 252. 236 plus 252. It is a 3-digit numbers. 2 3-digit numbers. So first step we add ones place. Step 1. Here our ones place is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So the number 8 write in 1th column. So number 8 write in 1th column. The next one, tens place. Our tens place is 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. So step 2. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 5. 4, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The number 8 write in tens place. The next one, 2 plus 2, 100 place. Step 3, we add 2 hundreds. That means 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is equal to 4 hundreds. Is equal to 4 hundreds. So our answer is 488. Our answer is 488. Listen here. Sum of two 3-digit numbers. Sum of two 3-digit numbers. Then first one is 536. Then second one is 252. First one is 236. Then second one is 252. We add two numbers. 6 plus 2. First we add ones place. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. The next we add tens place. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then hundreds place. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So our answer is 488. The next one. My practice time 1. Second Roman. Add the following. Add the following. A pot 198. 198 plus 920. 920. First we add ones place. First we add ones place. Step 1. First we add ones place. 8 plus 0. Here ones place is 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. It is a zero property. It is a zero property for addition. The next one we add tens place. Step 2. Here our tens place is 9 plus 2. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Then tens place is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Here ones, tens, hundreds. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 9 tens plus 2 tens. 9 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 11 tens is equal to 11 tens. So 1 tens and 100. We take the place value tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds. Here 1 tens having, so 1 ten is right in tens place. Then 100 is having, 100 is carry over to the 100 place. 100 is carry over to the 100 place. Next step 3. 100 place, we add 100 place, carry over the number 1. Then 1 plus 9, 100 plus 900 plus 100 plus 900 is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 900. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Listen here, 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Listen here. We take the place value 100 and 1000. 100 and 1000. 100 having, so 100 right in 100 place. 100 right in 100 place. The next 1000, 1000. 1000 is carry over to the 1000 place. 1000 is carry over to the 1000 place. So here 1000 place not having 0. Here also 1000 place is empty. So 0. So carry over the number 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. So bring down the number 1. So our answer is 1118. 1118. So sum of two 3-digit numbers 198 plus 920. Our answer is 1118. 1118. Next is second one. B part. Just we add two 3-digit numbers. B part. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 265 plus 873. 265 plus 873. Here both are 3-digit numbers. The first number is 265. The second number is 873. We add two numbers. First we take the ones place. Step 1. Here our ones place is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The next one we add to tens place 6 plus 7. 6 sevens and 6 tens and 7 tens. We add 6 tens plus 7 tens. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Here 6 is a tens place. Here 7 also tens place. 6 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 13 tens. So we take the place value for 13. Tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds. So 3 tens carries. So the number 3 right in tens place. The number 3 right in tens place. The next 100 carry. So 100 is carry over to the 100 place. 100 is carry over to the 100 place. Step 3. We add hundreds place. 200s plus 800s. Then carry over to the 10 hundreds place is 1. Carry over hundreds, 100s plus 200s plus 800s. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 100, 200, here 800. We add 3 numbers, our answer is 11. We take the place value, hundreds and thousands. Hundreds and thousands. 100, 1000. The number 1 write in 10th column. The number 1 write in 10th column. Next one, 1000 place. 1000 place is 1. The number 1 carry over to the 1000 place. Here nothing 0. Here also nothing 0. Carry over the number 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 1000 place is 1. So our answer is 1138. 1138. So next one. Our answer is 1138. Next is C part. Add the following. We add 2 3-digit numbers. C part. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, 865 and 763. We add 2 3-digit numbers. Step 1. First we add 1's place 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The next step 2. We add 10's place. The 10's place is 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. We take the place value, tens and hundreds, because 6 tens plus 6 tens is equal to 12 tens. So 12 tens means 2 hundreds, 2 tens and 1 hundreds. 12 tens means 2 tens and 1 hundreds. 2 tens right in tens place. Then 100 carry over to the 100 place. 1 tens carry on to the 100 place. Next we add 100 place. Carry on 1 plus 800 plus 700 is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 7. This is not 100 place. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So here 1600 having 1600 means 600 plus 1000. 600 plus 1000. 600 right in hundreds place. 600 right in hundreds place. Then next once 1000 carry over to the 1000 place. The number 1 carry over to the 1000 place. Here 0, here 0. The bring down the number 1. So our answer is 1628. 1628. The next one D part. Add two 3-digit numbers. Adding two 3-digit numbers. First one 662. Then second one 555. First we add ones place. Always first we add ones place. So step 1. 2 ones plus 5 ones. So 2 plus 5 is equal to, you know that 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. The number 7 write in ones place. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. The next one, step 2. Add tens place. 6 plus 5. The number 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 6 tens plus 5 tens. That means 11 tens. We take the place value. 11 tens means 1 tens plus 1 hundreds. 11 tens and 1 hundreds. So 1 ten right in 10th column. The hundreds place is carry over to the hundreds place. The hundreds place is 1. That is carry over to the hundreds place. So 1. Next we add hundreds place. Step 3. Carry over the number 1 plus 6. That means 6 hundreds plus 5. That means 5 hundreds. 1 plus 6 plus 5. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds. That means 2 hundreds and 1000. 2 hundreds and 1000. 200 right in hundreds place. Then 1000 carry over to the 1000 place. 1000 carry over to the thousands place. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Bring down the number 1. So our answer is 1217. Our answer is 1217. Next one. My practice type 2. Here also add the following. My practice type 2. Add the following. My practice type 2. First one, add the following. First one, A part. Listen here, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now we have three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. So three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers. So we have three-digit numbers. First we have ones place. Step 1. First we have ones place. Here ones place is 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So first we add ones place. 3 digits, 3 ones, 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So the number right, 8 right in ones place. The next we have tens place. Step 2. Next we have tens place. Our tens place is 110, 610, 3 tens. 1 tens, 6 tens, then 3 tens. So 1 tens plus 6 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So we have 10 tens having 10 tens. 10 tens means hundreds. So we take the place value ones, tens and hundreds. Tens and hundreds. 1 plus 6 plus 3. So we add 3 numbers. Our answer is 10. 10 tens means 100. So tens place is 0. Tens place is 0. And hundreds place is 1. Hundreds place is 1. The number 1 carry over to the hundreds place. The number 1 carry over to the hundreds place. So next is step 3. We add hundreds place. Step 3. We add hundreds place. Step 1 ones place. Step 2 tens place. Step 3 hundreds place. Our hundreds place is carry over the number 1. Plus 300 plus 400 plus 900. We add the four numbers. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Listen here. We add simply 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So this is not hundreds place. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. This are all hundreds, 100s, 300s, 100s, 900s. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So 14 hundreds. 40 hundreds. So we take place value 4 hundreds and 1000. 1000. 400 right in hundreds place. Then remaining 0, here also 0, here also 0. Listen here. Here 1000 having the number 1 carry out to the 1000 place. The number 1 carry out to the 1000 place. So bring down the number 1. So our answer is 1408. We add 3 3-digit numbers. We add 3 3-digit numbers. First one 311. Then second one 162. Then third one 935. First we add ones. That means 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The next one tens place. 1 plus 6 plus 3. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The next 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. That means we write the 0, balance 1. Balance 1 carry out to the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So write the 4, balance 1. Bring down the number 1. Our answer is 1408. The next one, B part. We add the following. B part. We add 3 3-digit numbers. We add 3 3-digit numbers. These are all 3-digit numbers. We add 3 3-digit numbers. Ones place, tens place, and hundreds place, and thousand place. First we add always ones place. So step 1. Ones place. 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. The number 8 write in ones place. The next one we add tens place. Next one we add tens place. Step 2. Our tens place values is 110. 110 plus 6 tens. 110 plus 1 tens plus 6 tens. 1 plus 1 plus 6. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. This is the tens place. So 8 tens having the number 8 right in 10th column. The next one hundreds place. We add hundreds place. 4 plus 2 plus 6. This is now hundreds place. 4 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. This is now hundreds place. So 12 hundreds having 12 hundreds having 10 hundreds means 1000. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. So 1000 balance 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds. The hundreds 2 hundreds having, so 2 writing 100 column. 2 writing 100 column. The next one, the number 1 carry on to the 1000 place. 1 carry on to the 1000 place. Here we take 0, here 0, here also 0. So bring down the number 1. Our answer is 1288. Our answer is 1288. We have 3 3-digit numbers. 3 3-digit numbers. The next one, C part. Add 3 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We add 3 3-digit numbers. Adding 3 3-digit numbers. Then first one is 713. Then second one is 112. Third one is 613. Always we first add 1-digit numbers. Here 1 digit is 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The next 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 8 ones right in one's place. 8 ones right in one's place. Next one we have tens place. 1 tens, 1 tens, 1 tens. So C part. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. We add 3 3-digit numbers. First one 713, then second one 112, third one 613. We add 3 3-digit numbers. First we add ones place. Always first we add ones place. Step 1, 3 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones. 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So the number 8 write in one's place. The number 8 write in one's place. Next step 2. We go to tens place. 1 1 1 1 10 1 10 1 tens. So 3 tens here. Simply write 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. The number 3 write in tens place. Next one. Step 3. Step 3, that is hundreds place. First we solve the ones place, next tens place, then third one hundreds place, then 3 hundreds place. 7 plus 1 plus 6, that means 700, here 100, here 600s. 700s plus 100s plus 600s. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 hundreds. 14 hundreds. 14 hundreds. 10 hundreds mean 1000. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. So here 1000, 1000. 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds, 1000. 400 writing 100 place, then once writing 1000 place, the number 1 writing 1000 place, the carry over number 1. Here empty 0, here also empty 0, here also empty 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Our answer is 1438. 1438. We add 3 digit numbers. First one 730, then second one 112, third one 613. First we add the ones place, next we add tens place, next hundreds place, the balance thousands place. Our answer is 1438. Then second Roman. Arrange in column and add. Arrange in column and add. Here A part 256 plus 472 plus 336. Solution 256, 472, then 396. Three digit numbers. We are 1, 2, 3. 3 digit numbers. First we arrange the numbers. First we arrange the given numbers. First we arrange the given numbers vertically. 256. Then second one 472. Then third one 396. Third one 396. Take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, next one thousands. Arrange in column and add. Arrange in column wise and add. Column means vertical position and add, that means plus. First we add ones place, step 1, ones place, 6 plus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Listen here. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. We add 3 ones. We add 3 ones. So we have 14 ones. 14 ones means 4 ones and 1 tens. 14 ones means 4 ones and 1 tens. So number 4 write in ones place. Number 4 write in ones place. The next one 1000, 1 tens. 1 tens carry over to the tens place. Arrange in columns and add 256, 472, 396. First we add the ones place. The next we go to the tens place. Next we go to the tens place. Step 2. We add tens place. Carry over the number 1. Plus tens place 5, 7, 9. That means 5 tens, 7 tens, 9 tens. 5 tens plus 7 tens plus 9 tens. 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1 plus 5 is equal to 10. 1 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So we have 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So our answer is 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. Listen here. 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. We add simply 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Then 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Add both of them. 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. We add tens. 22 tens sevens. 22 tens, that means 2 tens and 2 hundreds. 2 tens and 2 hundreds. 2 tens writing tens place. Balance 207. The number 2 carry over to the hundreds place. Listen here. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Write the number 2. Balance 2. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. Next is step 3. We add hundreds place. Our hundreds place is carry over the number 2. That means 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds plus 4 hundreds plus 3 hundreds is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. The next 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. These are all hundreds. So 11 hundreds, our answer is 11 hundreds. We take the place value 100 and 1000. 100 and 1000. 100 writing 100 column. Then 1000 carry over to the thousands place. So ones plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Bring down the number 1. Bring down the number 1. So our answer is 1124. Listen here. Arrange in column and add. Question part A, 256 plus 472 plus 396. These are all three digit numbers. Three digit numbers. First our question part is arrange in columns and add. First part is arrange. Arrange means we arrange the given numbers column. We arrange the given numbers column wise. That means 1 by 1. 256. The next 472. The next 319. First we add the ones place. Our ones place is 6 plus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 2 plus 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Write the number 4. Balance 1. Carry over to the tens place. So 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. So write the number 2. Balance 2 write in tens place. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. The one write in hundreds place. The balance one carry over to the thousand place. So bring down the number 1. So our answer is 1124. 1124. Next one. Question number 2. This also arrange in column and add. B part 512 plus 314 plus 826. Solution. First we arrange the numbers column wise. 512, 314, 826. 512, 314. The next one 826. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is a place value. Adding three digit numbers with regrouping. First you add ones place. Step 1. 2 ones, 4 ones and 6 ones. 2 ones, 4 ones and 6 ones. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 12 ones. 12 ones. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. We take the place value for 12. Listen up. Ones place, 12 ones carrying. 12 ones means 2 ones, 1 tens. 2 ones, 1 tens. The number 2 writing ones place. The number 2 writing ones place. Next, the number 1 carry over to the tens place. The number 1 carry over to the tens place. Next we add tens place. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Carry over the number 1 plus given the number 1, given the number 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Listen here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So our answer is 5. The number 5 write in tens place. The next one we add hundreds place. 500, 300s, 800s. 500s plus 300s plus 800s. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 hundreds. That means 600s and 1000. That means 600s, 1000. 600 writing hundreds place. Then 1 tens writing ones place. So 0, 0, 0. Bring down the number 1. Our answer is 1652. 1652. Next one, homework part. My practice time 1. In first Roman D, E, F, then second Roman E, F, G, H, I, practice time 2. D, E, F, then C, D. Page number 18, 19, 20. Listen here, homework part. My practice time 1. Question number 1, D, E, F. D, E, F. Then question number 2, E, F, G, H, I. E, F, G, H, I. Then my practice time 2. First Roman D, E, F. Then second Roman C, D. Page number 18, 19, 20. Thank you to all.